Oh, I should have known it was you. I should have known it was you from the start. When I found your Amberland membership card on the floor. The blood on the table. Now you're gonna die.
That's right. It's me. It's Jackson.
But Jackson, why?
Hey Johnson, have you found the leading fucking case? The fuck's he doing? What's going on here? What's going on here like?
It seems Jackson took things into his own mind.
Yes, well, at least I cleaned the streets of all that mob filth. I took care of the father, the mob boss. It's only a matter of time before we catch up with his son and end this all. Why don't you join me? Hold it, you motherfuckers! Which one of you killed my father, you fucking bastards? Who the hell are you? I am Romanov, son of a great Boris! So what do you say, boys? Gonna clean this filth out of town once and for all? Reed, come on lads, let's knock the bastard off! Now the town is clean.